friends, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make chocolate chips at home with only one ingredient, that is chocolate or compound chocolate. So first we will make dark chocolate chips. So for that we have taken 100 grams of compound chocolate and we have melted it in a double boiler. So we will not add any other ingredient to it. Once it is nicely melted, we'll keep it aside and let it cool down to the room temperature. We'll take a parchment paper and roll it into a cone. You can here use a tape to seal the cone as well. Now we will fill the dark chocolate in the cone. Make sure that you do not fill it till the top. Just fill it 3/4 so that we can seal the cone from the top. Now place the parchment paper on a plate or any tray and cut the tip of the cone. Now all you have to do is drop out the chocolates in small drops on the parchment paper. You can use these choco chips to make any cookies, muffins or cakes or in any way you would like to use them. Now you can keep this in the refrigerator for 20 minutes. Now we will make white choco chips. For that we have melted 100 grams of white compound chocolate. Once our chocolate is melted, in the same way I have prepared my piping bag as we did before and fill the piping bag with white chocolate. Make sure that you fill the piping bag 3/4 only and seal from the top. Cut the tip of the cone and start making drops of white chocolate in the same way as we did for dark chocolate. White chocolate can be a little tricky because it melts down very quickly and it cools down very quickly as well. Working with chocolate involves a lot of things. First is we need to take care of the temperature of the chocolate, the temperature of the room. All you need to take care for this is let it cool down to the room temperature before piping it so that they hold their shape and don't completely flat out. So we will keep this as well in the refrigerator for 20 minutes. So now we will make marble chocolate chips. For that we have made a big cone and filled it with the dark chocolate chip cone and white chocolate chip cone together and sealed it in the same way as we did for both the other cones. In the same way we'll cut the tip of the cone and start making the marble chocolate chips as we did before. For this all you need to take care is cut the tip so that both the chocolate flows together. keep them in the refrigerator as well for 20 minutes. After 20 minutes, you can see these choco chips have formed a good shape and they are ready to be used in any way. You can use them for choco chip cookies, muffins, cakes, or you can use them as toppings in any way you would like them to use. Similarly, you can take out the other choco chips as well after 20 minutes, and they are also ready to be used in any desserts you would like them to use. See how beautiful our marble chocolate chips are looking. You can share in the comment section below how you have used these choco chips. So if you like my video, don't forget to subscribe and share it with your friends or family.